Hi everybody, so I'm just popping on to share with you an unboxing video. I've been sent this by a page on Instagram called Your Creative Studio, and I think they do like monthly subscriptions, and I wanted to share this unboxing with you. So it comes in a little box like this, and then got a really pretty little card. I think the theme for this box is flowers. So let's have a look what's inside. I'm terrible at opening things, so okay, it's really beautifully packaged. So there's little individual stamps. Now I'm going to open these carefully because then I can reuse them in a journal. These nice little packages make great pockets. Oh, that's nice. Lovely stamp. Let's see if I can do it without using my scissors. I can. Oh, these are lovely. Can you see those tiny little floral stamps? Those would be lovely for creating borders on journal pages. Ooh, some washi. Who doesn't love a bit of washi tape? Ooh, that's very pretty. Can you see that one? It's got really delicate little flowers on, like greens and pale blues. That's really beautiful. These are like little clear see-through stickers. Masking tape. That looks like it might be like a tissue paper actually. Yeah, it is. That's like a tissue paper. Oh, that's really pretty. So there's a few sheets in there of that. Let's move all this packaging out of the way, shall we? So you can actually see a bit better what's in here. And then there's this package with lots of, looks like ephemera in here. I'm going to open it up and get it out. I love how it's packaged up. These be able to be reused in journals, particularly if you were making like a junk journal style. You can reuse the string, obviously. Look at these beautiful bits of paper. A really nice texture as well. It's lovely quality. Oh, there's all sorts of things. There's even like, that's almost like a sort of wallpaper type of, it's like an embossed paper. Lovely. All really pretty colours in that package. There's some dried flowers in here as well, and more like little bits and bobs that you can stick on your pages. More sort of clear stickers. Those are lovely. They're almost like transparency style with images on them. So they'd be good for sort of laying over the top of other things. Wow, so much in here. Let's have a look what's in this. This might be like pieces of paper, I think. Oh, these are gorgeous. I love that. Look at those. Like different styles of ledger papers. Those are stunning. I love those. And there's some more flowers and little bits and pieces in there. Bits of ephemera. So many possibilities of things that you could do with this collection. More little bits of ephemera, different styles of paper. Be great for backgrounds. I can see that this would be really good for scrapbooking as well. If you're into scrapbooking, this would be a great thing to have. This is paper ephemera, 24 sheets. Sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper and pattern paper. Ooh, let's have a look. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh my, I can see these going into journals. These are beautiful. Particularly like the vellum pieces, they're so nice. Those are lovely. So let's put those over here. And then last of all, there's this one. And this is a rub-on transfer. Oh, I love these kind of things. So you peel it off and then you rub over it and it transfers onto your paper. This is a really lovely collection. I think especially if you were, like I say, into scrapbooking. Just the different, you've got everything you need here for a great scrapbooking page. But also for art journaling, I can see that lots of these bits and bobs would work really well on an art journal page. There's so many different things that you could use here, so quite good value for money as well. Actually, you get quite a lot in your box, and these little stamps are lovely, and obviously with rubber stamps you can use them again and again. Would work really well on an acrylic block. Yeah, so there we go. So that's from Your Creative Studio, and even this you can use. Look at those lovely images on there, really nicely packaged. Yeah, so I'd recommend having a look at that. You can find them on Instagram. Does it say their website on here? I'll put their website in a link in the description box, and then if you're interested you can go and have a look. All right, so thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.